Hey guys, you're here for update 2 on Hurricane Pali. First thing to say about the storm is that it's now become the earliest hurricane ever recorded in the East and Central Pacific. So yeah, some records being broken this year. We've also had the latest end to a hurricane season last year as well, which was only about a week or 2 weeks ago. With Tropical Depression 9C dissipating on January 1st, as that again saying that the latest end to a season we've ever had. Because we thought that really was it with Hurricane Sandra. They threw another surprise, like a curveball at us, making it actually the most active Pacific hurricane season on record, other than it became just shy of the record of 27 named storms. So we did have quite a lot of opportunity to. So Hurricane Pali, update 2 as of 2100 UTC on the 12th of January 2016. Storms located at 6.8 degrees north, 171.4 degrees west. Winds are 90 miles per hour and pressure of 979 millibars. We'll go on to the forecast map in a minute, though. Again, the storms pretty much intensified. We thought, same with Yola really, we thought that this storm was pretty much dissipating, dying, almost, well, pretty much done. But yeah, so another bit of a curveball for us, but we'll see. Anyways, so we'll go on to the forecast map now. So you can see the forecast map here, a bit more of a southwards movement, then moving towards the east, weakening from here on in. Expected peak now, but it's still possible the storm to become a Category 2 storm, though unlikely at this time, calling for weakening now. So yeah, at the onset of 2016, a dissipated tropical depression 9C left behind a large area of moisture across the equatorial Pacific. A powerful westerly wind burst, a feature most commonly associated with strong El Nino events, spread cyclogenesis. So it marked the earliest tropical cyclone formation on record in the Central Pacific, surpassing 1989's tropical storm Winona by 6. Visible imagery seems to be showing some sort of an eye feature there, though clouded over at the moment. Possible sign of some strengthening, though unlikely at this time. Possible looks as though the storm could be maybe a Category 2, possibly even a Category 3, because it looks like that location, that intensity, sorry. And also the Dvorak imagery seeming a lot of the more intense part of the storm is displaced towards the east, so that looks like Dvorak T4, which looks as though it can be consistent with a Category 2 or 3 storm. And then finally the rainbow imagery, again a lot of the rainfall displaced to the east of the storm, and possible that there's a little bit of the core to the right there. Looks as though that could be opening up for a little bit of exposed core there. Anyways, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.